In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a text effect inside of Photopea. Now, Photopea is a bit clunky. I'd rather use Canva or Photoshop, but you can get this effect if you want it. So let me show you how to do it. So what you first need to do is go to the text tool, then go ahead and click and type out your text. So I'll just type sunset. And what we'll do is we'll move it and we'll actually change the color inside of layer styles. So here is our text. We're going to double click on the layer. And your layer is going to be on the right here, you'll see it. Then what I'm going to do first is go to color overlay. And if we click in this color overlay window, we can then select a color. I'm going to change it to white. And then what we can do is we can go to drop shadow, click on that, and then it will be different to mine, but you will see a drop shadow appear and you'll be able to change the opacity, the distance of the shadow, the spread of the shadow, and these are all going to get you different effects, so it really does depend on what you're after and what you're looking for, but you can customize these to your liking, and once you've found something that you like and an effect you're happy with, you can click OK, and there you go, you've got your drop shadow, and that is how you do it in Photopea.